Welcome back to Infinite Infotainment. In the realm of natural and wholesome ingredients, olive oil and lemon juice stand as two powerhouses that have garnered immense acclaim for their remarkable health benefits. As we embark on a journey to explore the synergistic potential of these culinary gems, I invite you to embrace a holistic approach to nourishing your body and elevating your well-being. Olive oil, a liquid gold that has graced Mediterranean tables for centuries, is revered for its rich flavor and versatility in the kitchen. Beyond its culinary prowess, this golden elixir boasts an impressive array of nutrients that offer a multitude of health advantages. Lemon juice, on the other hand, with its tangy and invigorating essence, has long been celebrated for its ability to enliven dishes and revitalize the senses. Yet this vibrant citrus fruit holds far more than just a zesty kick. It is a treasure trove of vital vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. By harmoniously incorporating olive oil and lemon juice into your daily diet, you unlock a world of potential benefits that extend far beyond mere sustenance. From bolstering digestive health to fortifying cardiovascular function, and from aiding in weight management to nourishing your skin and hair, this dynamic duo stands as a testament to nature's boundless gifts. Olive oil, a staple of the famed Mediterranean diet, is a true nutritional powerhouse. Extracted from the fruit of the olive tree, this golden liquid is brimming with an array of beneficial compounds that contribute to its remarkable health-promoting properties. Monounsaturated fatty acids. Olive oil is rich in monounsaturated fatty acids, particularly oleic acid, which has been shown to have a positive impact on cardiovascular health by lowering LDL, bad cholesterol levels, and increasing HDL, good cholesterol levels. Antioxidants. Olive oil is a natural source of powerful antioxidants, such as oleuropein, hydroxytyrosol, and tyrosol. These compounds help neutralize harmful free radicals, thereby reducing oxidative stress and protecting cells from damage. Vitamin E. This essential nutrient, present in olive oil, plays a crucial role in maintaining healthy skin, hair, and eyes, while also supporting the immune system and promoting cardiovascular well-being. Polyphenol. Olive oil is abundant in polyphenol, which are plant-based compounds with potent anti-inflammatory properties. These compounds have been linked to a reduced risk of chronic diseases, including certain types of cancer, diabetes, and neurodegenerative disorders. Lemon juice, a tangy and refreshing addition to countless culinary creations, is a true nutritional gem that packs a punch far beyond its bright and zesty flavor. This vibrant citrus elixir is a treasure trove of essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, making it a valuable ally in supporting overall health and well-being. Vitamin C. Lemons are an exceptional source of vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that plays a crucial role in boosting the immune system, promoting collagen production for healthy skin and joints, and aiding in the absorption of iron from plant-based sources. Citric acid. The tangy taste of lemon juice is attributed to its high citric acid content, which not only adds a refreshing zing to beverages and dishes, but also aids in digestion and may help prevent kidney stone formation. Flavonoids. Lemon juice is rich in flavonoids, a class of plant compounds known for their potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. These compounds have been linked to a reduced risk of chronic diseases, such as cancer and cardiovascular disorders. Potassium. Lemons are a good source of potassium, an essential mineral that plays a vital role in regulating blood pressure, supporting muscle and nerve function, and maintaining fluid balance in the body. While olive oil and lemon juice are undoubtedly powerful in their own right, their true magic unfolds when they are combined. This dynamic duo creates a synergistic effect that amplifies their individual benefits and unlocks a world of potential for enhancing overall health and well-being. Enhanced nutrient absorption. The presence of healthy fats in olive oil aids in the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins and antioxidants found in lemon juice, ensuring that your body can fully utilize these beneficial compounds. Improved digestion. The combination of olive oil's monounsaturated fatty acids and lemon juice's citric acid can help stimulate digestive enzymes, promoting better digestion and nutrient assimilation. Antioxidant power. The antioxidants present in both olive oil and lemon juice work in tandem to neutralize free radicals and combat oxidative stress, which can contribute to the development of various chronic diseases. Flavor enhancement. The rich, fruity notes of olive oil and the bright, tangy zing of lemon juice create a harmonious flavor profile that can elevate the taste of countless dishes, making it easier to incorporate these nutritious ingredients into your daily meals. Maintaining a healthy digestive system is crucial for overall well-being, and the dynamic duo of olive oil and lemon juice can be a powerful ally in promoting optimal digestive function. Improved nutrient absorption. The monounsaturated fatty acids in olive oil aid in the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins and antioxidants, ensuring that your body can fully utilize the nutrients from the foods you consume. Stimulation of digestive enzymes. The combination of olive oil's healthy fats and lemon juice's citric acid can stimulate the production of digestive enzymes, such as lipase and amylase, which help break down fats and carbohydrates more efficiently. Alleviation of constipation. The mild laxative properties of lemon juice, combined with the lubricating effects of olive oil, can help promote regular bowel movements and alleviate constipation. Reduction of bloating and gas. The anti-inflammatory compounds in olive oil and lemon juice may help soothe the digestive tract, reducing the occurrence of bloating, gas, and discomfort. To incorporate this powerful duo into your diet for optimal digestive health, consider starting your day with a warm glass of water infused with a few drops of olive oil and a squeeze of fresh lemon juice. You can also drizzle olive oil and a spritz of lemon juice over salads, roasted vegetables, or grilled proteins for added flavor and digestive benefits. Maintaining a healthy heart is essential for overall well-being, and the dynamic combination of olive oil and lemon juice can play a significant role in supporting cardiovascular health. Improved cholesterol levels. The monounsaturated fatty acids in olive oil have been shown to help lower LDL, bad cholesterol levels, and increase HDL, good cholesterol levels, reducing the risk of heart disease. Reduced inflammation. Both olive oil and lemon juice are rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds, which can help combat chronic inflammation, a contributing factor to various cardiovascular issues. Blood pressure regulation. The potassium content in lemon juice, combined with the beneficial fatty acids in olive oil, may help regulate blood pressure levels, reducing the strain on the cardiovascular system. Improved blood flow. The polyphenol and antioxidants present in olive oil and lemon juice can help promote healthy blood flow by improving endothelial function and reducing the risk of plaque buildup in the arteries. To reap the cardiovascular benefits of this powerful duo, consider incorporating olive oil and lemon juice into your daily meals. Drizzle olive oil over your salads. Use it for sautéing vegetables or create delicious vinaigrettes by combining it with lemon juice and your favorite herbs and spices. Maintaining a healthy weight is essential for overall well-being, and the dynamic combination of olive oil and lemon juice can be a valuable ally in your weight management journey. Increased satiety. The monounsaturated fatty acids in olive oil can help promote a feeling of fullness and satisfaction, potentially reducing the urge to overeat. Metabolic boost. The antioxidants and polyphenol present in both olive oil and lemon juice may help support a healthy metabolism, which can contribute to weight management efforts. Reduce calorie intake. Incorporating lemon juice into your beverages or meals can help increase your water intake, promoting a feeling of fullness and potentially reducing overall calorie consumption. Detoxification support. The diuretic properties of lemon juice, combined with the antioxidants in olive oil, can aid in the elimination of toxins and waste from the body, supporting overall health and weight management. To incorporate this dynamic duo into your weight management routine, consider starting your day with a warm glass of water infused with a few drops of olive oil and a squeeze of fresh lemon juice. You can also use olive oil and lemon juice as a flavorful dressing for salads or as a marinade for lean proteins, adding depth and flavor without excessive calories. Radiant skin and lustrous hair are often sought-after attributes, and the dynamic combination of olive oil and lemon juice can be a powerful ally in achieving these desired outcomes. Nourishing fatty acids. The monounsaturated fatty acids in olive oil can help nourish and moisturize the skin, promoting a healthy and supple complexion. Antioxidant protection. Both olive oil and lemon juice are rich in antioxidants, which can help combat free radical damage and protect the skin from premature aging and environmental stressors. Vitamin C for collagen production. The high vitamin C content in lemon juice plays a crucial role in supporting collagen production, which is essential for maintaining skin elasticity and reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Hair nourishment. The nourishing properties of olive oil can help strengthen and condition hair strands, promoting shine and manageability, while the citric acid in lemon juice can help remove buildup and clarify the scalp. To reap the skin and hair benefits of this dynamic duo, consider incorporating olive oil and lemon juice into your daily routine. You can create a nourishing hair mask by mixing olive oil and lemon juice, or use a few drops of olive oil as a facial moisturizer, followed by a spritz of lemon juice for added radiance and glow. Embracing the power of olive oil and lemon juice in your daily diet is a simple and delicious endeavor that can yield remarkable benefits for your overall health and well-being. Here are some practical tips and ideas to seamlessly integrate this dynamic duo into your culinary repertoire. Start your day right. Begin your morning with a refreshing glass of warm water infused with a few drops of olive oil and a squeeze of fresh lemon juice. This invigorating elixir can kickstart your digestive system and provide a burst of antioxidants to fuel your day. Dress up your salads. Elevate the flavor and nutrition of your salads by creating a tangy vinaigrette with olive oil, lemon juice, and your favorite herbs and spices. This simple dressing not only adds a zesty kick, but also enhances the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins from the greens. Marinate your proteins. Incorporate olive oil and lemon juice into your marinades for meats, fish, or plant-based proteins. The combination of healthy fats and citrus flavors can tenderize and add depth of flavor to your dishes. Drizzle and spritz. Keep a bottle of high-quality olive oil and a fresh lemon within reach in your kitchen. Drizzle olive oil over roasted vegetables or grilled proteins, and finish with a spritz of fresh lemon juice for a burst of tangy freshness. Infuse your water. Liven up your water intake by infusing it with slices of lemon and a touch of olive oil. This refreshing and hydrating beverage can help you stay hydrated while providing a subtle hint of flavor. Experiment with dips and sauces. Create delectable dips and sauces by blending olive oil, lemon juice, herbs, and spices. These versatile condiments can be used as dips for vegetables, drizzled over grilled meats, or incorporated into pasta dishes for added flavor and nutrition. Remember, moderation is key when incorporating any new ingredient into your diet. Start with small amounts and gradually increase as your palate adjusts to the flavors and your body adapts to the changes. While olive oil and lemon juice offer numerous health benefits, it's essential to be mindful of certain precautions and considerations to ensure their safe and effective use. Quality matters. Always opt for high-quality, extra virgin olive oil and fresh, organic lemons. Lower quality products may contain additives or contaminants that can negate the potential health benefits. Portion control. While olive oil is a healthy fat, it is still calorie-dense. Moderation is key to avoid overconsumption and potential weight gain. Acid reflux and GERD. For individuals with acid reflux or gastroesophageal reflux disease, GERD, consuming large amounts of lemon juice may exacerbate symptoms. Start with small quantities and monitor your reaction. Tooth enamel erosion. The acidity in lemon juice can potentially erode tooth enamel over time. It's advisable to rinse your mouth with water after consuming lemon juice or dilute it with water to minimize direct contact with your teeth. Medication interactions. Lemon juice may interact with certain medications, potentially affecting their absorption or efficacy. Consult with your healthcare provider if you are taking any prescription drugs. Allergies and sensitivities. While uncommon, some individuals may have allergies or sensitivities to olive oil or citrus fruits like lemons. If you experience any adverse reactions, discontinue use and consult with a healthcare professional. By exercising moderation, choosing high-quality products, and being mindful of potential interactions or sensitivities, you can safely and effectively incorporate the powerful duo of olive oil and lemon juice into your daily routine. Embrace the power of olive oil and lemon juice and embark on a journey towards a healthier, more vibrant life. Savor the tantalizing flavors, revel in the myriad benefits, and experience the transformative effects that these natural wonders can have on your overall well-being. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Infinite Infotainment for more health and wellness content. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. And as always, we'd love to hear from you. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, stay healthy, stay informed, and keep exploring the wonders of natural health.